Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Which week? Still, we have Wish songs here on Garden Guitar, usual Wednesdays. This time, we have it throughout these 2 weeks. So, a little extra push there on your songs. You wish for songs, I bring up here on Garden Guitar. This time, we have you, Silver Artist. You wish for Goo Goo Dolls, All That You Are. And Goo Goo Dolls, like if you understand Iris and the importance of that song, these are the guys who did also this one, All That You Are. So a great group. Let's take a look at this nice song. And we have a capo set here on the 1st fret. And with that, we have a couple chords to go over. So capo on 1st will be the best scenario. Let's take a look at the chords. So we're gonna start with the F, that's a bar chord. You play the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. The next chord you need to know about is the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have E minor next. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We continue with D minor. And that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E. We also have C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have 4 chords that goes pretty much with bar chords right after each other. Just 1 fret in between them. The grips are the same. So we're gonna start with the A sharp chord. So what you do here is really to put a bar on the 6th fret and bar all strings there, but we don't really use all the strings down there. You're gonna focus pretty much on the bass strings, bass and mid area. So bar on the 6th fret, and then you need to add 8 on A, 8 on D, and 7th on G. Okay, so you can keep at that focus on these strings. All right, so that will be the A sharp. The next chord A, you just move the same grip 1 fret away from you, so you line with the bar finger on the 5th fret. Everything else follows. And then we have the G sharp. You continue that 1 fret away from you. You line with the bar finger on the 4th fret now. And then we learned the G before. You can go with the plain G, or you can just continue to go with the bar 1 finger 1 fret away again, so you align with the bar finger on the 3rd fret. So this will be a G as well, or this we already learned. So it will use the bar chords here to have easy transitions between the chords. And these are the last chords needed for the song All That You Are. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern now. We'll start with the verse playing, and it starts with the F, so let's grab that one first. 1 string around will be down, down, up, down. So 1 down, and then down, up, down. All right, let's start the verse. It goes 1 string around per chord with F, then G, then E minor, and then A. You're gonna play this for 4 rounds. So F1, G1, E minor 1, and A1. It goes like this. I played 2 rounds for you. You're gonna play 4, and that is the first verse. Over to pre-chords now. You're gonna play A minor 2, then G2, then D minor 1, E minor 1, F1, and G1. You're gonna play it for only this 1 round. Let's do that together. And that builds up for the chorus. Now, speaking of chorus, let's go into that. You're gonna still continue the same strumming, which you're gonna do throughout the song. Now you have a chord progression of C2, F2, D minor 2, and G2. Okay, we can start there. So. Okay, then the second half starts in the same way. C2, F2, then A minor 1, G1, F1, E minor 1, then D minor 2, and G2. Okay, so C2, F2, A minor, G, F, E minor, D minor, and G. And that's the second part of the chorus. You're gonna play it for only this one round, and there you have the chorus. We have an instrumental part that follows right after chorus, and it's the verse play. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds. Remember, the F, G, E minor, and A minor, 1 string around per chord for 2 rounds, and there you have the instrumental parts that comes after the chorus. Now over to the second round. Everything is the same here. The second verse played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. So after the second chorus comes a bridge part, and we're now about 1 minute and 42 seconds into the song. So this is where we're gonna use these bar chords. So you're gonna play the A sharp 2 string rounds, then A2, the G sharp 2, and the G2, depending on which G you're going for. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds, all right? And then after these 2 rounds, you're gonna play again the A sharp 2, the A2, then D minor 1, E minor 1, F2, and G2. Okay, so I don't think we have to go through this. I can just demonstrate how it sounds with the 4 chords, with the bar chords, and then I think you understand the rest. You're gonna play A sharp 2, A2, G sharp 2, and G2 like this. Remember, utilize the mid and the bass strings. That's the best effect of this. And then you just follow the same chords I just told you before. After this bridge part, we're gonna jump right into the final chorus, the third one. And it goes pretty much for 2 full rounds, almost, all right? So you're gonna finish the C2, F2, D minor 2, G2, then C2, F2, A minor 1, G1, F1, and E minor 1. That will be the last chord from the first round in this chorus part, the third chorus. But we're gonna prolong this third chorus again, so you're gonna start all over again. So you're gonna play the second round, so to speak. You also didn't finish the first round with the D minor G. You just jumped right back into the C2, then F2 again, D minor 2, G2, then C2, F2, A minor 1, G1, F1, E minor 1, A minor 1, G1, F1, and E minor 1, then D minor 2 and G2. A lot of chords there. So I think I'm gonna play through for you. I'm just gonna mention the chords and you're gonna see when it goes with the chord switches. So the full chorus number 3 will be like this. F, D minor, G, C, F, A minor, G, F, E minor, and new round. C, F, D minor, G, C, F, A minor, G, F, E minor, A minor, G, F, E minor, D minor, G. Until this point, we just have the final outro left there, and that is just to play the verse play. Remember, it was the F1, G1, E minor 1, and A minor 1. You play it for 4 rounds, and that will be the end of Goo Goo Dolls, All That You Are. Alright guys, so this one was special for you, silver artists, but also for all you Goo Goo Dolls fans. There are many out there, I'm aware of that. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please let me know that. Give me some feedback on it. Perhaps wish for future songs. Give a like on this tutorial, and that will make my day. Thank you for support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.